Look what else was in the bottom of the box from Elegant Glass. It is a huge kit for the nail tech event at the Smokies. Check it out, look at this. Thank you, Elegant Glass Nails. I appreciate this greatly. It was hiding down at the bottom of all that swag. I'm gonna see what's inside here and show you guys about Elegant Glass. Oh, look, oh my gosh, is this, I think this might be a stamper. Yes, it is. Check out that blingy stamper from Elegant Glass, and look at, ooh, I like that color a lot. That's so pretty. Love that one. Oh my gosh, look at all this. Oh, there's stamping plates. Oh, I think there's little decals. There's like all kinds of gels and gel polishes and things. Look at it all from Elegant Glass Nails. Oh, this is gorgeous. One lucky nail tech is going to be taking all of this home from the nail tech event of the Smokies at the Gatlinburg TN Convention Center on Sunday, July 14th. All you gotta do is get your ticket and be there present on the show floor when we draw numbers. Your number could be drawn and you will be taking home this big honking kit from Elegant Glass Nails. Go to nailtechevent.com for your tickets and go to elegantglassnails.com